Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, and this is my analysis for the DXY. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar DXY index, it's been playing along almost perfectly. I've been saying all week long that this is likely the end of a pullback and that it will likely make lower highs, lower highs. Now, where we are at right now definitely is probably going to be an area of support, a lot of support and resistance in that area in the past. So there probably is a pretty good chance we'll get another bounce. But as long as it doesn't go up and take out the most recent swing, it is definitely still a downtrend. And I would definitely still be looking at any move I see to the upside as nothing more than a pullback to the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I would have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. If this really is going to make a proper pullback, it may actually even last a couple of days, kind of like something like this. We might even get something like this, like that, maybe like that. And then maybe towards the end of the week, we could get another entry to go short, probably at like the 50 to 61% Fibonacci, like a nice three-way pullback, hopefully for the continuation of this higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.